Hello everyone, and once again welcome to Ebong TV. So today I want to show you guys how to produce a tablet soap with shea butter. I want to show you how you can actually use this butter in producing a laundry bar soap or a tablet soap, just in case you have them at your disposal. So that was my butter. Now I have melted it on fire and it's turned to oil. So when you want to make soap with shea butter, you have to melt it, let it turn to oil first. So that's what I did to mine. I've melted it and now it looks like oil. You can see the oil in that container. So I want to mix it with palm kernel oil. This is my palm kernel oil. I'm using a ratio of 3:1. That is 300 grams of shea butter and 100 grams of palm kernel oil. A ratio of 3:1. I'm mixing it with palm kernel oil. My shea butter is more in quantity. My palm kernel oil is less in quantity. Don't forget, I'm using a ratio of 3:1. So just watch this video as I produce a tablet soap with shea butter. Just in case you have any at your disposal, you will know that you can usually use it to produce soap. You can use shea butter to produce a tablet soap or a laundry soap, depending on what you want to produce. And also, I am running online classes on WhatsApp. So if you need to join the class, you just check the description of this video. You will find a link. You click on the link, it will take you to the class on WhatsApp, or you chat me up on WhatsApp with the number I will be displaying on the screen of this video. You chat me up on WhatsApp, you reach me on WhatsApp to be added to the class. So either ways, you will be added to the class. Then also my ebook is out. It has been revised. It is now more rich than before. It has a lot of information in it. The ebook is now embedded with the requirements that NAFDAC will need before you can get a NAFDAC registration number. So in that ebook, I have outlined all the necessary requirements that NAFDAC will need before they can give you a NAFDAC registration number for your product. The advantage of having a NAFDAC number is that you can literally sell your product anywhere in Nigeria. You can sell it in the market, you can sell it in the supermarket, you can sell it virtually anywhere. You don't have any limitation. That's the advantage of having a NAFDAC registration number. So in my ebook also, I have listed where NAFDAC offices are in different states or in all the states of Nigeria. I have listed their offices so that just in case you are in a particular state in Nigeria and you are confused on where you can get to NAFDAC office, that your problems will be solved when you purchase this ebook, because all their offices and their addresses is in the ebook. Then lastly, in this same ebook, I have listed addresses on where you can purchase your chemicals for soap making in the ebook. So if you are in a particular state, I have written a particular address, like 2 or 3 or 4 addresses where you can actually purchase your chemicals for soap making in the ebook. So this ebook is actually very rich. It has a lot of skincare formulations inside. There is the laundry bar soap, there is the body cream, there is the detergent, there is the liquid soap, there is the shampoo, there is the air freshener, and a lot of things you will learn. There is the bleach, there is the there is the Dettol, there is the this thing here. A lot of things you will learn from the ebook. So it's actually very rich. It's very informative. It will help you and it's very down to earth. So if you want to do production, if you want to produce skincare, or you want to go into the laundry bar soap production, then this ebook is actually for you. If you want to purchase the ebook, you just reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video, or you check the description of this video for a link where you can also reach me on WhatsApp to purchase the ebook. So sorry, I did not show when I actually poured the soap into the mold because I didn't know that my camera has stopped recording. It was after I poured the soap into my mold that I realized that my camera, it wasn't recording again. So forgive me for that mistake, but I've actually poured it into the mold. You can see the soap is inside the soap mold. So I'll wait for some hours for this soap to dry and be ready to be taken off the mold. This video is actually to show and prove to you guys that you can literally produce a tablet soap with shea butter, just in case you have them at your disposal. So after 12 hours, my soap is ready to be taken out of the mold. So I will be taking them out one by one for you to see how beautiful this soap looks like. Then also I'm going to test it to see whether it lathers. Alright, so it's time to test the soap. Let's test our soap, our shea butter soap, to see if it lathers, whether it is good for soap production. So we are testing it right now. We want to see how it lathers. Now you can see it lathers very quickly. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and to subscribe to my channel. And see you next time on our next video this week. Goodbye.